Welcome to FX Street. If you like what we're talking about, you'd like to be updated to what we're doing, head on over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button. You can follow us on Twitter. You can follow me at JustAnalysis1 and Akash at Mangyeko0. It's a 0, not an O. Taking a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu has been stuck inside the Ichimoku cloud ever since the 15th when it closed inside of it. This is on the daily chart. And the cloud represents indecision, volatility, everything bad in trading occurs here. This is where trading accounts go to die. And so all these different whipsaws and indecisive moves, general consolidation and irritation, that's just indicative of what the cloud is. It looked like, and it still is structurally, like Shiba could have a nice breakout, but it would need to close roughly around that 29 even level, 0.000029. But it has since just kind of dropped sideways. Now, what could happen, and this would be very ugly, is, if it can't stay above where it's at right now, like at 0.000025, actually, I got to increase the decimalization here. I'll do that later. Tomorrow, when it opens a new candle, because of where the Chigu span is at, that could trigger an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout. Last time one of those triggered, that was back over here, and you can just kind of see where it drifted. We'll see, though. We'll see. But from a point and figure perspective, this hit the entry from a trade idea that we've had previously. I think this has actually been here for ever since. Yeah, we looked at this back on the 17th of February. So this entry did trigger at 2,800 with a stop down at 2,200, and the target's up at 50 at 6K, 6,000, 60, whatever number you want to use, and it hasn't hit the stop at all. It's just kind of hovering in the same value area. Really, not a ton of change. It's just been in a fairly tight constrictive zone ever since, roughly for about 30 days. So downside risks going into the weekend definitely could be testing the low of the close of 2022 in that 20 to 21 level, and upside potential likely capped around 28 near the top of the cloud there. That's what I see. I'll pass it off to you, Akash.
Right. So the last time I discussed Shiba, well, I was talking about this demand zone here extending from 220 to 233. The first tap kind of held the selling pressure, absorbed the selling pressure, and propped the price up. The second move did not, so this demand zone is invalidated. But what's happening right now is I'm looking at this demand zone extending from 230 to 247. Since it broke above these almost equal highs to collect liquidity. There's an MSP here. So this is a valid demand zone, and I'm expecting the price to form some sort of a base around here and trigger an 8 to 10% upswing for SHIB. That's what I'm looking at. And another thing that I missed quite a while back is this particular setup here, which was a bearish breaker setup. Price formed a swing high, higher high, broke the market structure, and then invalidated the demand zone. So it would have been a really good opportunity to short here or here. So yeah, that's what I wanted to mention. So apart from that, I'm just looking at an 8 to 10% upswing, scalp, because things are kind of starting to consolidate for Bitcoin. So that's my take on Shiba Inu. Upside capped anywhere between 270 to 280, and the downside for now capped at 230. If our candlestick close below this demand zone, then I'm expecting price to move down to 215, 201, where we're going to collect liquidity testing below these equal lows from in late Jan. So yeah, that's my take on Shiba Inu.
All right, well, thank you, Akash, and thank you everybody for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.